We're in Southwest Florida in Lee County on beautiful Sanibel Island, the seashell capital of the world. It's 2 years after Hurricane Ian. We've worked up an appetite on this trip. It's time to find a good breakfast place. How about the world's best breakfast? Let's check it out and see if it lives up to its name. I'm Mighty Mike.
And I'm Kay.
We're here at the Lighthouse Cafe at Sanibel Island, Florida, and we're ready to try the world's best breakfast. Are you ready?
Let's go.
I'm starving. Let's go. All right, so we're at our breakfast here on our final full day in Sanibel Island, and you can see some of the birds, the waterfowl fishing right here where we're having breakfast. Ooh, so almost got. And look at this guy here. We got a ooh, and over here we have a white ibis. I think it's a white ibis, Kay. So pretty. Babe, you ready to get some breakfast?
Yes.
Get some coffee. Here he goes up. I don't know where he's supposed to go in here. The Lighthouse Cafe. You can go through here. Is there a door there?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are we at?
We're at the Lighthouse Cafe.
This is the world's best breakfast. Wow. That's pretty cool. Oh, the license plates in there. And they have all the lighthouses over there on that far wall.
Take care of you, but only if you tell me. I could say it all day,
I love that it has all the Sanibel license plates. Lighthouse Cafe Creations. So I'm sure we're gonna find something delicious here. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
What time is breakfast served till?
Breakfast 7 to 2.
Wow, that's yes.
Nice.
Nice.
Menu.
Okay. Wow. Isn't that nice? Oh, go ahead. You're good. We're vloggers, so.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That looks amazing.
What'd you get? An omelet?
I got the Hungry Fisherman.
All right, let's dig in. Wow, look at that.
It's very, very hot.
Go ahead. Good.
Oh, yeah. All right. Mike has the meat lovers breakfast burrito. That looks delicious.
So this came with fresh strawberry preserves. Look at that.
So normally I'm pretty willing to share. I'm a little more reluctant this time.
Wonder why.
But Mike's gonna try my omelet. It's the Hungry Fisherman's omelet. It's shrimp, scallops, what was it? And crab.
Crab.
And it has like an Alfredo sauce on top. It is delicious.
Clean Plate Club. All right, Kenny. World's best breakfast?
World's best breakfast.
Hands down, the world's best breakfast.